Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this T-part lace front wig. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So I'm just going to head to put some makeup on the wig cap, and I'll also be putting makeup on the wig itself. I definitely want this look to be as seamless as possible. I'm definitely not an expert at this, so I'm just trying my best to make sure that when I'm done, the wig look as realistic as possible. So this wig was definitely snugged. Like, I didn't even need to use the combs in the wig itself because it was really snugged on my head. And no, we're not gonna act like we don't see that bald spot in the front of the hair, but y'all see in the beginning that we managed to actually fix it up so it's not showing so much. Right now I'm just trying to use a hot comb to make sure that my part stays in place, so that's pretty much what I am doing here. For this install, I'm actually going to be using the Got2b Freeze Spray and the blow dryer. I'm not going to keep this wig on for a long time, so I didn't need it to be stuck on there for long. So I'm just using the freeze spray on there and the blow dryer on cool air to make sure that it's stuck down properly. Going in with the scissors now to cut off the lace, and I'm kind of doing it in a zigzag motion so I don't have like a blunt straight look, so just kind of doing it a little bit jaggedy in a sense. I want the lace to look as melted as possible, so I'm just going back in with the freeze spray and I'm going to be tying it down so that it will look more skin-like. Now trying to fix up them baby hairs so that the wig will look as realistic as possible again. I think I might have cut off too much or pull out too much front part for the baby hair, but yeah, we gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. And I'm just going in with some Got2b styling gel to lay my edges. It's the one that comes in the black bottle. So I got this wig in, I think it's 10 inches. Yeah, if it's not 10, it's 8 inches. I can't remember. But I didn't want it to be like that. The reason I got the wig so short is because I wanted a bob blunt type of look. Yeah, so I'm going to be cutting the hair. I'm using the rubber band and I'm just going to cut below the rubber band. This scissors is the worst. I was cutting this hair for literally maybe 5 minutes. But yeah, we got through, and you see the blunt look in just a bit. Now I'm using the concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze just to clean up the part a little bit so that it'll match my skin tone more. This is the final look, guys, and I'm actually liking it. I think it came out good after all. Please comment down below to let me know what you think. This was my first time installing a lace wig like this, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.